so nice. What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this spring vibe, and it's like all the way there. Like you can wear this all year round, not only in spring, but this is such a cute look and it's so springtime ready. When I think of spring, I'm thinking of like floral colors, any color that's bright, flowers, azaleas. So that's what I think of when I hear the word spring, that and pollen. So if you're looking for inspiration on how to create your own springtime look for the springtime or for the summer or for all year round, please continue to watch my video, because I guarantee you will learn how to do a look similar to this, or if not the exact look, and if not better. Okay, hopefully you'll be able to create a beautiful springtime look. So without further ado, let's just jump right into this video. Okay. So for my eyes, I'm going in with my Makeup Revolutions palette. And for my first transition color, I'm going to be taking this color right here. I really like this color because you can't really see it, but you can kind of see it. It's kind of warming up the eye. And when you're using more than like one color, you want to make sure you go in like with a light color first, and then just build up those colors. So when blending, I like to use windshield wiper motions and just make sure that I'm taking that color all the way into my corner. Next color, I will be taking this color right here, and it's right up under the first color I used. And I'm just going to place that color right on top of the first color, and that's just going to help build up that intensity. And slowly but surely, the color is starting to build up. And when blending, you want to make sure that you take the color up above, like almost near like the brow bone, so that when you put on all these colors, like the first or the second color you use will show on your eye. Like, you don't want to lose it. That makes sense. I hope that makes sense. Makes sense to me. You'll see what I'm saying. I didn't know like what color I wanted to do, but since it's like springtime, I want to do something with like pinks and peach tones. So my next color, I'm going in with this color right here. I'm just going down the line basically. And it's just a little darker than the color that I used previously. And we're just going to dark up that crease area. And that's the thing with like makeup, like especially with eyeshadows, like it doesn't matter how many colors you use as long as you blend. I've used 3 colors so far and it's not looking crazy or anything. The last color that I'm going in with is this color right here, and it's like a dark plum kind of color, and I'm just going to put that in my crease. And what I was saying earlier about bringing the colors all the way up, kind of near your brow bone, you can see like I got this dark color, but you can still see the other colors I put on top. That's what I was talking about. That's what I was talking about. go ahead and tell you, I'm not the best crease cutter, but I'm still learning. I'm just going to cut a half crease. Okay, so I'm going in with this color right here. I'm just going to put that on my lid. Okay, so for my last and final color, I'm going in with this dark black color right here. Okay, so my foundation and my highlight and contour and all that good stuff is already done because my makeup routine hasn't changed yet. So I went ahead and did my makeup off camera. I'm going in with this Avon eyeliner and it's in the color Starry Night Blue. Yeah, so I'm just going to line my waterline with that. And I just wanted to add a pop of color since it is a springtime look. I'm just going to take this beauty supply store palette I got. I had this for like, for I don't know how long. And I'm going to take this blue color right here. And I'm just going to put that right up under the eyeliner. I think this color is pigmented. It's pigmented, so I was thinking I would have to use like a eyeshadow base. About to coat my bottom lashes, and of course I'm using the Real by Benefit. I'm going in with these Ardell lashes, and these are the Mega Volume. So now I'm taking this blush by Milani, and this is in the color Rose. I never wear blush, but I thought it was such a pretty color, so I grabbed it. And this color just reminds me of spring, so. So, okay, for lips, I'm taking Cork by MAC. Now I'm finna go over MAC with this lip gloss that I got from Victoria's Secret, and it's one of their newer lines. It's the Metallic Glow lip gloss, and this is in the color Rose Gold. So I changed my mind. I'm going over that with this color Exotic by NYX, and it's the lingerie line, because I didn't want a brown, you know, lip color. Now I'm going to go over that with Victoria's Secret's Bare Gloss. So for highlight, I'm taking this Milani highlighter, and this is in the color Sunglow. Put that up on my brow bone. lastly, I'm gonna spray my face with the Badescu facial spray. I gotta make sure this makeup is in place. So this is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. This is such a springtime look. Not only is this a springtime look, but you can also wear this look all year round because it's so natural and it's so Socialite-ish. Even though it has a bold color, you still can wear this color out. Anyone can wear this look, and I think it's just springtime ready. And I'm glad I chose these colors because they went well together. Like I said, once you start blending all your colors together, it doesn't matter how many colors you use, as long as you blend, I'm pretty sure that the eyeshadows and your whole look will come out beautifully. So that's the key. Blending is everything. So this is my springtime look, and I hope you guys enjoyed it, like I said. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. And for all my day one subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to my channel and checking out my videos and liking them and commenting nice things, because that really encouraged me to make more videos. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. It'll be right here. Also turn on that post notification so that lets you know when I post, and that you can keep up with me and all that good stuff. And make sure you follow me on my social media. I will link those down below. Follow me, let's be friends. Hit me up on Snapchat, because I'm always on Snapchat. Like, I live for the filters. But anyway, oh yeah, before I forget, like if you like this video, and make sure you comment down below. Let me know like what videos you would like to see in the future, or if you're interested in like a certain particular look, let me know. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel, because that makes me more motivated to do more videos. I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and I will see you guys in my next one.